work and humble reply to your viewers. Ganon? Humble ba ako? You understand me? I don't speak English in my live. So now I speak to you. So I speak English. I like your video. You see my video. Okay, thank you so much, Tom. Thank you so much. Tom Holland. Aba, ito gumagamit ng sariling profile Nanguha ng profile sa internet. Ako talaga, huwag na akong salita eh. Thank you so much, Tom Holland. Thank you so much. I like your hard work and humble reply to your viewers. Thank you, Tom. I appreciate so much your... Talaga lang Inday ha, kind words. Alam mo na ngayon mag-kind words Inday ha. Talagang si Inday. Thank you so much, Tom. For viewers, can you please like? Like lang. Please like lang. Pa-like lang ng aking video. Please like my live, guys. Little bit ay na Filipina language. That's why I am said your humble reply. Okay. Thank you, Tom. I appreciate it. Charot. Give you moderator, ha? Because you're mabait. Sana totoong tao to. Ito Little bit I know Filipina language. That's why I'm sad. You're humble. Okay, thank you so much, Tom. Thank you so much. 6 viewers and 3. Bakit ba ako laging kinakagat ng lamok? Talaga lang, mataba ako, paborito ng lamok na kagabi hindi naman ako kinagat. 6 viewers and 3. Hello, thank you so much. I wanna be forever. Four viewers and 3. Anong oras ako nagsastart? I shared your channel to my friends. Na naman. Thank you. Thank you so much, Tom. Maniwala ba tayo dito, guys? Maniwala tayo? Ako hindi manaling mapaniwala kahit taga-bundok ako. Stand up, show your outfit, ma'am. Ayoko. I don't want to stand up. I don't like showing my... I don't like. Five viewers and 3. Hello. Do you really wanna live forever? Don't call me mom. Just call me Belle. Belle or Inday. Three viewers.